Feeling fresh ang person. Uy, 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 uy. I like the lighting. Lighting, my queen. Lighting. Lighting. I like lighting hair. Oh, with the, airy hair. Pinapart ko yung hair ko in the side, other side. Kasi, feeling ko napapanot na yung hair ko. Yes. Bakit? Hindi pangit ang hair ko. Kulang lang sa hair care. Yes. Because I'm a wavy hair. I do have a wavy hair. It's not, uh, yes, frizzy siya kasi nga kulang siya ng moisture. Well, kulang siya ng moisture. Pero ang oily ng hair ko kasi nga I put coconut oil into my hair for moisture. Because coconut oil is good for the hair. So I do have Minching's ukulele here. Yes, I'm borrowing it. Bango. Bango ka. Healer. Feeler. Feeler na ka ng moving. Fake face. I do have a big face. Dapat pa-frame ako dapat. Frame. Face frame. Right. Yung ganun. Oh, nabuhag. Oy. Sige, ganyan na lang. Ganito na lang. Dapat choy. No. Am I? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Birthday. Ding, 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 ding. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, mali. What's happening? Should I let my hair grow or should I cut it? No. I'm going to let my hair grow. I want it to be long. Yes. I want to have a long hair. I want to explore about my hair fall. Do I have a hair fall? Oh my. Grabe yung aking hair fall din. Parang akong... Oh, pag mahabang buhok, nag-hair fall. Pangit. Aba na lang mga kuko. Ang dugyot. Look at my hair all greasy. They have a greasy hair because of the oil. I put too much. I put too much onto my hair. Now it's greasy. Parang plastic. Plastic. Am I audible? Audible. Am I audible? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday